You're cooking dinner, feeling good. Then it hits. Your eyes start stinging, you blink like crazy, and suddenly you're crying in your kitchen. 1, 2, 3, 4 onions later, you're in full-on sob mode. All because of an onion? So why do onions make you cry? Is it some weird revenge from the vegetable world? Not quite. Let's break down the surprisingly complex science hiding in this everyday moment. Onions contain amino acid sulfoxides, harmless little molecules stored in their cells. But the moment you slice an onion, you break those cells open. That releases enzymes that quickly mix with the sulfoxides. What happens next is chemistry magic. They form a gas called syn-propanethial-s-oxide, aka the onion's defense mechanism. This gas wafts up into the air and reaches your eyes. Your eyes are super sensitive to irritants. When the onion gas hits the moisture in your eyes, it reacts to form a very dilute version of sulfuric acid. Yeah, acid. In your eyes. Even tiny amounts sting. Your body reacts instantly by producing tears to flush it out. That's why you cry, not because you're sad, but because your brain thinks your eyes are under attack. So why do onions even have this tear-jerking trick? It's defense. Plants can't run away, so some evolved chemical warfare. Onions use this reaction to protect themselves from animals, insects, and even fungi that might want a bite. Basically, onions fight back, and your eyes pay the price. Want to cry less when chopping onions? Try this. Chill the onion before cutting. Cold slows the chemical reaction. Cut near running water or under a vent to keep the gas away from your face. Use a sharp knife, less cell damage, less gas. And yes, onion goggles do work. You'll look ridiculous, but you'll cry less. Now go chop some onions and make a delicious meal. Because cooking is like a science experiment gone delicious. We send a new episode every week. We send a new episode every day to keep you feeling smart and inspired in the kitchen and in life. Hit subscribe to join the delicious science adventure.